Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and it's me, Bugs Kitchenette. And today's video ay magluluto po tayo ng black soup. At ito at ang ating mga sangkap, black chicken, whole, and ang herbs natin, astragalus root, and then dried red dates and goji berries and ginger. So ayan guys. So nandito rin tayo, may cilantro din tayo dito. So let's begin. Of course, we need to cook our chicken first. We're going to slice it. Yung iba niluluto nila buo lang siya guys, pero sa akin hiniwa ko na para hindi na mahirapan ng aking mga alagad. So alam niyo naman siguro kung paano mag-slice ng chicken. So ayan guys, pagkatapos ng hiwain natin, we're going to wash it thoroughly. So, kailangan pala natin kunin guys ang esophagus ng ating black chicken. Ayan guys. Hindi yan pwedeng makain na yan. Parang plastic kasi yan guys pag naluto yan at makain nyo. So, tanggalin natin yan. So, hugasan na natin ng maigi guys. Kunin natin yung mga fats ng chicken. So, sa 1 liter na tubig, papakulo tayo at saka ilagay natin yung ginger. And ilagay natin yung ating manok. And then we're going to cook it for 4 minutes. We're going to blanch it. So, after 4 minutes guys na magpakumulo na tong tubig natin na ganyan, lalabas na yung mga dugo ng ating mga chicken. So, and after that, we're going to drain it and wash it thoroughly. So, napakulo ulit tayo dito guys ng tubig. Nalimutan ko pala yung camera ko. So, at saka ilagay natin ulit yung ating na-blanch na chicken na. And then, ilagay na din natin yung ating mga spices and herbs. Ayan, hinaan natin sa slow fire. So, slow fire lang guys. Slow fire lang, yun. For 45 minutes. Ayan. Ayan lang natin siya dyan guys. So guys, lagyan natin to ng ginger. Ayan. So after 1 hour guys, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt or according to your preference lang. So, ayan. And it's done na guys. So, ilagay na natin yung ating cilantro. So, ayan na guys. And now ready to serve. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye. Enjoy your meal.